Hey everyone! If you're managing your finances with Honeydue, a fantastic app for tracking shared expenses and budgets, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to categorize transactions step by step, so you can gain better control over your spending. Let's dive in. First things first, Honeydue is an intuitive app designed for couples and individuals to monitor money flow, set financial goals, and avoid surprises. It's super user-friendly, making it easy to organize your transactions. To get started, open the Honeydue app on your smartphone and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. Here, you'll see a list of your recent transactions. Tap on the one you want to categorize. This will bring up the details, including the amount, date, and merchant. Next, look for the Category field. It's often a drop-down menu. Honeydue might suggest a category based on the transaction, like groceries, for a supermarket purchase. If it fits, great. If not, scroll through the options or tap to add a custom category. For example, if it's for a pet store, you could create a new one called Pet Expenses. After selecting or creating your category, hit the Save or Apply button. Your transaction is now neatly organized. Repeat this process for other transactions, and you'll start seeing patterns in your spending. Honeydue even auto-categorizes some items, but you can always edit them for accuracy. Why does this matter? Categorizing helps you generate reports, identify overspending, and stick to your budget. It's a game changer for financial health. There you have it, a quick guide to mastering transactions in Honeydue. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.